That actually looked impressive. What? Did you see that? No way. You guys gotta be kidding me. Are you serious? Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel. As you're likely aware, I spend time testing various blockchain tools and decentralized apps. If you've searched for these, you know, most are just a waste of time. However, I recently stumbled upon a project that really caught my attention, so I've decided to put it to the test right now to see what it's all about. Before we get started, I want to say that this is not financial advice, and I'm doing this for entertainment purposes. Yeah. First, let's jump into Telegram, and here I'm going to hit start. Just like that. And there we go. Well, let's open up the project. Yeah, this is exactly what I was talking about. I really like the interface. It's clean and very user-friendly. Now, there's a small technical requirement to get started. Give me a second to fix this real quick. It's just a standard part of the settings adjustment. Nothing to worry about. Okay, just a moment, guys, so we can start. I'm just heading back to my account now, navigating to the right section. All right, just give me a moment to get this set up. It's only a few quick steps, and while I'm at it, guys, I need to remind you that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just here to test things out and document my own personal experience. I'm not suggesting that anyone follow what I'm doing. Okay, let's just wait a second. It should be ready in just a few seconds. And so, yeah, everything is done. Yeah, it's done. Great. Let's head back. I'm going to press this button here. Completed. Guys, everything is super simple here. Now I'm syncing this helper tool with the project itself. It's a pretty straightforward process, just going through the steps. Give me a second, guys. I just need to adjust some settings and a few steps here, and we'll be ready. Go ahead and paste it right here, then send it off. All right, now for the next step, you'll need to copy this item. Just paste it right here. Yeah. And the last step, I'll send his number over. Yeah, just like that. And the final step is gonna be loading. So yeah, I'm actually a bit excited, to be honest. Yeah, here it is. We can finally start our testing. In the meantime, guys, I am gonna go ahead and refresh this tool for us. And I'm putting in a tiny test amount. I'm totally fine with losing it. This is just an experiment. All right, let's take a look at what we've got. Yeah, I'm just following the process here, just like that. Okay, here. And oh wow, did you see that? Wow, that actually looked impressive. I'll be honest, I'm really liking how this feels. I'm genuinely excited to test it. It's been fun. Now, moving on the main part of this whole test, I have zero expectations here, but I can't help being a little excited. Don't mind me, I'm just finishing the final step. Okay. Going back, I'm going to take this thing and put it right here. Okay, and hit the button. Okay, it's processing now. I'm not expecting much. I'm just doing this for the video. I'm just waiting for the final notification. I'll head back to my account, and honestly, my hands are shaking a little bit because I really don't know what to expect. So, what? Did you see that? No way. You guys gotta be kidding me. No way. Are you serious? That's incredible. I really hope this video was helpful for you guys. Thanks for watching.